Shout out to the girls that like to party, aristocrats. As the unique girls, they are making the aristocrats.
Gentlemen, the country don't ready. Rice now 150. Local rice 150. I can't ask the woman say how much for her rice and shine. Wetin dey shock me now be say Christians now for this country, since you no fit do illegal something to survive, you gats do what is legal. Now as rice don cost so now, the food stuff don cost now, Christians now no get wetin to chop apart from the fruit of the Holy Spirit. You go see a person now go dey sip garri and crayfish with humility and long suffering. I get one beggar for my street there for the past 50 years. He don carry begging like full career, like full job. You know dey beg, he dey beg anything wey you see. As things don rise so now, nobody wan give am anything now. You no come get wetin to beg for now, you don begin dey beg for pardon. But I beg your pardon, you get pardon.
Shout out to the girls that like to party, aristocrats.
Greetings, distinguished viewers. Yeah, you know, a lot of times I tell people, see, no matter how things hard for this life, find way make money, live big man life. Because if you live big man life, you go enjoy life past poor man life. If you see big man, the way they do their thing, they different from poor people, their lifestyle. Most say big man now, for example, want order food from Mama Put they sell for roadside. The kind of food in the order, if you dey close to right, you go know the class of food in the find for anybody. You will hear something like, Madam, do you have beans? Give me beans 200 naira. Give me dodo 50 naira. Give me 2 boiled, give me moi. You now you go know say na protein in the find for anybody. But if poor people want other food, ogba jamen, you no go ever know wetin they find. Madam, you get beans, give me beans 100 naira. Give me rice 100 naira. Give me yam 50 naira. Give me plantain 20 naira. Give me spaghetti 50 naira. You get akamu, put akamu on top. You get of spray off on top. Wetin you know say one chop? Which class of food did they find for your body? Now wow.
If you follow Premier League this season wey just finish, you go know say truly Nigerians will funny. If you see where Liverpool fans dey watch match for Nigeria, to watch match go hungry you. Waiter, you get Heineken 5 bottles, open the 5. Simple, confident. Man City the same thing. Waiter, Alpha, you get Euro, give me 3, open 2 first in case. Then Man U fans, they no dey fit sit down, understand they dey stand. Waiter, you get Origin Bitters, give me 1, that small one. And so they be. Chelsea fans, they know the fit sit down, they know the fit stand. Now bend down, they bend down. Mind know wetin Lampard wan do for this match. Waiter, you get old pot, give me 1. Then Arsenal fans, who know they come. Now from gate to the ask, Oboafa, we don't start. Wetin we dey play? This coach, I say as a winger, better pass this Arteta. Which kind wahala be all this one now?
Shout out to the girls that like to party, aristocrats.
Now this country we dey, somebody said 2020 is a year of laissez-faire. We think say na joke. Like play, we started hawking jokes online. Policemen turned to entrepreneurs, started selling nose masks in checkpoints. This year, our government carried our educational system online, even for online class. They pursue person wey never pay school fees. Now this year now no say e get the way you go chop money reach. When they ask you, come and tell us how our money was spent. Conversion go whole person. Indeed, 2020 is a year of laissez-faire.
Shout out to the girls that like to party.
Yeah, it's a period of independence. Yeah, shout out to every independent woman out there. I beg, ladies, that form is one of the form when person asks for her name. I beg. Which one beside I go ask girl last week, say what's your name? She said my name is Juliet. My friends call me Juliana, but you can call me Juju. I say na Madio how you be. It's crazy. And why you be say girl way fine? We sabi speak wrong English, they always they very confident. Because I don't enter church which day like that with my friend. We entered the church. I didn't know the usher knew me. So she walked up to me and said, Mr. Solomon. So you touch in our church. I said, I think she go correct herself for 4 years. I need to get touch again. Didn't you hear me? So you church in our church. I don't know when I reply. I say I church. Even my friend churches. In fact, all of us church here. They no cause trouble.
Shout out to girls that like party. Every show I go, you must date, yeah. Every time I see you with artists, it's like you owe your own label. Do the X-rated for the paycheck. You get naked for the latest. For the